This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Individual outputs, or an output job file. The PCB editor has three separate mechanisms for configuring and generating output. First is individually. The settings for each output type are stored in the project file. You selectively generate that output when required using the commands in the fabrication outputs, assembly outputs, and export submenus, which is accessed from the file menu, and the reports menu. Second, using an output job file. The settings for each output type are stored in an output job file, which is dedicated output settings document that supports all possible output types. These outputs can be then generated manually or as a project release. Third, in the design release process, output documentation that is set in all output job files of the project can be generated as a part of the integrated project release process with the ability to validate the design. Now, an output job file allows you to configure each output type, configure their output naming, format, and output location. Output job files can also be copied from one project to another.